Hello friends, this is Roshan and welcome to Price Action Traders. So let's see what we can do in Nifty, Bank Nifty, the banks and my selected stocks. Okay, so listen carefully if you are interested to learn how to plan your trades. Watch the full video. Okay, see here in Nifty, what I see here is it is taking a good support of this trend line. Okay, it is making higher lows and higher highs. Here it made a lower high, lower low as compared to this low, but now it is again making a higher low as compared to the previous low. So for me it is still in uptrend, which is behaving like this: a clear uptrend, correction, consolidation, then coming out of this range. So if this is happening, then I could see a good opening here. Sustaining here will lead a further breakout towards these levels, and if this continues, then you can see in RSI it is already crossing 55. So if it will go and if it finds momentum, then we can see new high as well. This is how you should plan. The only thing is it should not get rejected from this level. Like it should not come down from this level. If it is coming down, then you should cut your position, long position, and then you should think of sorting it again. Okay, I hope that is clear. In Bank Nifty, I still see that there is some pressure. It is making a inside bar here, but still it is in what you call in selling pressure. So if the selling pressure has to stop, then this will act as a good support, and this will not breach these level. If this breaches these level, then we can go for further sorting. But if it doesn't breaches this and breaks the high of this candle, then we can think of getting these highs. Keep that in mind, traders. See, once this will get cleared, then only we will have a fresh view for further highs, as like we saw in Nifty. See here, it is already breaking the highs of these candles. So similarly, Bank Nifty will have to cross these levels, then only it will be very much bullish, right? Let's go to IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank as well, you can see it was sold off because of that news, and then now it is still in pressure. So if it breaches this level, then it can go up to these levels. If it doesn't, then it can find some reversal, some relief rally, or some retracement up to these levels. HDFC Bank, as I said, this will act as a good support. So if until it is not getting breached, we can expect that it will go further up. So let's plan like this in HDFC Bank. Axis Bank, you can see sharp fall, retracement, and then retesting these levels. So this is a long wick. Breaching these level will not be easy, but if it goes down and breaches the low of these candles, then of course it can enter in this zone, which is a very good support area. So we can try to accumulate Axis Bank in these levels. ICICI Bank, after a good stellar result, went up, cooled off, fill the gap. If it has to go up, then it will not have to breach these levels, then only it can go up. So we can keep an eye on buying above this. SBI, you can see a pin bar here, so that also says that it is getting rejected on selling when the selling pressure is coming. So if it sustains above this, then we can think of getting these highs again. Kotak Bank as well, this is a sort of consolidation phase, I should say. Once it breaches these levels, then we can plan for new long, or if it breaches these levels, then we can plan for new short position as well. Yes, for this week I have selected few stocks, so let me go through them one by one. This is Star. Why I have selected it? Because I saw a good reversal from here, from the oversold zone. See, if you see this stock, then it was a good breakout level here, 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 right? These were resistances, and then it was broken out and it never came back to these levels. Now it has finally reached to these levels, and now this is a good demand zone. So if you see in daily time frame, then it is clearing the last red bar. So if it sustains above this, then it can easily go up to 550, and if it does, then it can start a good upward movement. A Naukri, yes, you can see this was a good support. It created it, I mean it got created here, then it made a high, breached it, retested it, got rejected here. Now it is trying to breach this. So if it breaches this level, then there is no resistance in between, so it can directly go up to these levels in very short term period. And as soon as it starts clearing these red bars, then it can go further up as well. So keep an eye. The important support area is here. ACC, as I said, it was very bullish around these levels, and now you can see it has already made a fresh high and it is in overbought territory, but still it can show further movement. Reliance, gentlemen, if you remember, I draw this chart and posted in my channel. I said it got rejected once, let it get rejected twice, then buy it. You can see it has made good comeback, at least up to 50% of the last fall. So it is good for coming days. Tech-Chem, you can see this is a good range. Now it got rejected once again, but this was not that much strong like it was not that much strong. Now it is continuing the trend, so it may give a further breakout above this. That's it for today, friends. If you like the analysis, then please subscribe and share the videos. Thanks.